I'm Dr. Keysra Washington, pediatric dentist and owner of Many Smiles Pediatric Dentistry in Conyers. I have a 6-year-old daughter, Casey, who expressed an interest in running track. After researching several local track clubs, I was drawn to Blue Lightning. The coaches are very knowledgeable and dedicated to the club and the athletes. The club is unique in that it focuses on developing the athletes physically, but it also teaches the spirit and the mindset of championship. And this is so important because it applies just as much to the sport as it does to other areas of life. Anyone who has spent any time at a Blue Lightning practice has heard the coach or even one of the athletes yell out, "Who's out here?" And the athletes all respond in unison, "Champions!" And this just teaches them why they're there, working so hard to become the best they can be, to become a champion. And this absolutely applies to academics, to home life, and to anything that requires hard work to achieve greatness. Sometimes now when we're at home and Casey has a tough school assignment she's working on, or she's working on a difficult piano piece, I'll ask her, "Who's in here?" And the response is always the same, "Champions." I love it. Our experience with Blue Lightning has been absolutely phenomenal. Casey's confidence level has grown tremendously. She has gotten to know a great group of kids who support and encourage each other at practice and in competition. And I've really just enjoyed watching her develop these friendships in an environment that's so supportive and encouraging. So if you're a parent and you are looking for a track club where your athlete, your champion, can develop skill in an environment that's motivational and encouraging and supportive, please reach out to Coach Steve Strother at Blue Lightning. You'll be glad you did.